Oh yeah, you guys want to see how much wood you can get out of an elevator? There's a lot, but first it's got to come down. So he's gonna dig out those ends like that, and I'll just show you some video because I don't want to miss this.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
That's his sign right there. That means that it's going to come down on the last flight for 2 years.
Wasn't that cool?
Sound right, boys.
I think they got the man on the wagon because I don't hear no noise over there.
Oh, there's going to be a lot of great wood coming out of there. Lots of 2x8s. Wow, we'll get into the cribbing here in a minute. But for now, we still got that other side to get down. I'm doing nothing.
Yeah, but there's a problem.
What is the problem?
They might have to clear it out and then put that one down and then clear it off. It sounds right, boy.
It sound right, boys.
I think they got the man on the wagon because I don't hear no noise over there.
I hear him.